guys, it's Dai here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I am so excited for today's video because as you can see by the title, as you can see by my spooky background, it is Spooktorial season. I'm so excited to cue the spooky effects on the screen, all over the screen right here. I'm so excited because, like I said, as you could see, it's Spooktorial season. So I do a series on my channel. I do a series on my channel called Spooktorial, and that is basically my spooky makeup tutorial. It's kind of self-explanatory. So since it is October, it is Spooktorial season. I took a little break last year because I wasn't feeling like the best. I'm still not really feeling the best, but I was like, I can't miss another year because I really love Spooktorial. So as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be doing a glam, a ghost face or scream kind of like mask, but really it's like makeup, so it's not really a mask look. I am excited, but I'm also nervous because, like, first Spooktorial video of the season, and I don't know, I'm just kind of nervous. But I took like a picture of myself. If you guys ever have like makeup ideas in your head and you want to like get it down, I definitely recommend like face charts, but like pictures of yourself also work. So this looks kind of weird, but this is the, like, I like drew it and I was like, this is kind of like what I want it to look like and all that good stuff. Obviously, like I said, this is a picture of me, but you can also use like regular face charts. Like, it doesn't have to look like you. I do face charts all the time and they don't necessarily look like me. But anyways, I am so excited, guys. So if you guys want to see my glam, ghost face, or scream makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. I'm so excited. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did my makeup and all that good I did my face, my base, and my eyebrows, all that good stuff off camera. So I don't know if you guys can tell, I kind of created like a straight brow. Usually my eyebrows go like, this one's super thick, so let's just ignore that one. But yeah, I kind of wanted to do like a straight brow kind of look, and I think it turned out really good. Also, my base looks really good, I feel like, which is like, of course, the day when I'm like covering it up, kind of, it looks good. I also wanted to show you guys, I'm kind of like into pottery and all that stuff, and I made this little like ash tray, but for me it's a jewelry holder because I don't smoke. This little like ghost face, this is what the back looks like, because, you know, whatever. But I made this little ghost face ashtray, and that's so cute. Let me know what you guys think down below, if you like it. Anyways, I'm so nervous, but like, let's just get started, I guess. So first things first, when you are doing these type of looks, I always map it out first with white. So like, for instance, you know how like the inside and all that good stuff is gonna be black. I'm gonna map it out with a white first, just in case you mess up. It's easier to like blend white away. You could also use, like, if you have like a pencil or something that's closer to your skin tone that you can still see, that would also work amazingly as well. But I do not have that, so we are going to use white from the CC Beauty palette, and I'm gonna take that on a really thin liner brush. I don't know if you guys can tell my excitement. I am literally so freaking excited. Like, I'm literally just so excited. I love Halloween, and like spooky season is my favorite. I love trying out new makeup looks and all that good stuff. It's just like the best to me. I feel like you have like, you can express yourself, anyways, and all that good stuff. So actually, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm trying to think if I want to like do a little circle at the top, like map it out with something. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take like this like lid or whatever, and this is gonna be like the bottom one, and I'm gonna take it, and I think I'm just gonna like map out kind of where I want. Is that too big? No, I think that's good. Okay, the bottom circle, and then I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. So now I need a smaller circle. Okay, so I'm gonna take this NYX concealer lid, and I'm gonna take, obviously this is gonna be the top circle. This is so funny to me. Okay, I think that circle's a little bit too high for me. I'm gonna use the brush that I use to like put down my foundation, and you see how that kind of just like blended away perfectly. Now I'm gonna start like connecting the two circles. Okay, it kind of looks a mess right now, but this is like the outline of it. And now I'm just gonna take like a dry brush and just kind of like wipe away. This is actually gonna be kind of hard. I probably should have done my foundation first, but it is what it is. And you really want to make sure you have the piece of the white down before you go in with black, because it'll just be easier obviously to get rid of white than it is to get rid of black. So okay, now I'm gonna do like my nose. I'm kind of following the like shape of my nose with like this little, I don't know what this little piece right here is. Someone tell me what that is. And then like the outlines kind of the little, guys, I'm terrible at explaining things, so just like watch. My lips, I'm just gonna like kind of overline my lips when I do lipstick and stuff. So that's kind of the end of this for this. So I'm just gonna dry this a little bit just so it doesn't mix in with the black. And now we're gonna take, like I said, the CC Beauty palette, and we're gonna take that black and we're just gonna start filling that in. After the second layer, I'm going to set everything with translucent powder, and then on top of the translucent powder, I'm going to put black eyeshadow. Okay, so I did my other eye and my nose. It's crazy because the like CC Beauty palette still looks a little bit wet, but I think it will like dry over time. And I don't think I can put much more eyeshadow on it. But now we're gonna do like shadows around and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm gonna do, well, I don't know if I said this to you guys or not. I'm gonna do my lips later. So okay, time to do shadows. I'm gonna take my bronzer, which is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade 375. And I'm gonna take this small Juvia's Place blending brush. I'm gonna lightly like go around the top and the bottom. And now I'm gonna take this NYX concealer. I'm just gonna go in between so I'm just gonna do gems like around it. I'm trying to think if I want to do black gems or if I want to do like a different color gem so it's more like you can see it more. I haven't decided yet. Maybe I'll alternate. Let's do it. Okay guys, I'm back. I kind of alternated black and like silver. It kind of looks like white, but I like the way that turned out. This took so freaking long. I have so much respect for people who do like the full face of crystals, people who do like the full face of crystals. I know enough about myself that I would never ever do that. I just don't have the patience and I can't. But I also just put on a really long lash. So now we're gonna do lips. I'm gonna take the NYX liquid suede lipstick in Alien. Okay, I think I'm pretty much finished. I'm gonna go off camera and make sure there's nothing that I'm like missing or anything, and then I'll come back with the finished look or whatever. Okay guys, this is the finished Glam Ghost Faced or Scream makeup tutorial. I kind of love it. I wish I would have did full black like gems around because it's kind of giving like black and white. Really, they're not white, like it's like clear, but it's giving black and white. But honestly, I didn't have enough black anyways to do like full black, but I definitely recommend you do full black. Also, I added a little blood drip with crystals, and I honestly feel like that is just the perfect final touch to this look. I love it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. If you recreate this look, you can tag me on all my social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. I am so excited for Spooktorial season 3. Like I said in the beginning, I hope you guys are excited too. If you love spooky videos or just like me or whatever, then definitely subscribe or you will be missing out on my Spooktorial episodes. Also turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. Like I said, you don't want to miss it. And if you want to watch my previous Spooktorial seasons, all that good stuff will be in the description box down below. It's also like in the eye somewhere around here. But yeah, I think this is so cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you want to make it like also like top notch, you can get some of that like squid ink and put it in your mouth, so like when you talk it's just like a black hole. That would also be really cool. But this is really just like the glam version. If you do like a sexy scream and you want to do your makeup kind of like cute and glam, this is what it's giving. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Like I said earlier, turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. And I hope you guys have a spooky, wonderful day, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my little ghouls. Boo.